Hello guys, good morning. This is me Anand back again with a new video all the way from Cape Cod here in North from Adventure Bound Camping Resort. So in this video, let me take you to the tour of Adventure Campground. It will be this all this video through the car. So if you guys are planning to do a camping in Cape Cod and looking for some a perfect location for camping, the Adventure Campground might be the one. So this is the main entrance where you or the main office where we do the check-in. Since I already did the check-in, this is just I'm taking around to make a video. As you can see, there are a lot of RV camping, and let's go explore the campground from the car, and then I'll try to present or show you as much as I can. But this video might help you to see how your campground, or if you're planning to book this campground, then you'll have some idea how your camping or campsite would look like. Coolest thing about this campground or camp location is the location is perfect, very close to all the popular attractions in Cape Cod, the beach and other popular attractions like the province town, which is just like 10-minute drive, and the lighthouse, one of the oldest lighthouse, Highline Lighthouse. It's just 1.5 mile. Finally, it was a big loop. It took me more than 20 minutes to go over all the campgrounds, or I mean, to take a tour of this campground. Hope you guys like this video, and I think it will be helpful or useful to you if you are planning to book a campground in adventure bound campsite. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you again. Bye bye, have a good day.